Well, first and foremost, kat makapa-proud knowing that he is colleague at the Department of Languages and Literature. And knowing Sir Melver, he is pushing the limits and boundaries when it comes to Ilocano filmmaking. He is really the best example and significant exemplar example when it comes to Ilocano filmmaking industry. And what is my reaction towards the film is, of course, apart from being proud, I was very inspired and at the same time na-enhance DJ knowledge ko when it comes to di panagdamili. I really know that it is just part of the culture of San Nicolas, but most importantly, mas naadal ko pa yung DJ processes, so nagayam ti panagarami ti banga kasya and so
of course how hard it is.
And how hard it is basically. And overall, nag-powerful J movie because halang so nga documentary movie. And at the same time, halang ay promote J culture and heritage si San Nicolas. But first and foremost, dapat ti subtle hints na ti humor, comedy kasya. Kung nag-powerful DJ last statement, DJ ending nga, nupayagan na kang tupay ni Apo Diyos na agad. Dakan may itimang ituloy lang. DJ.
Siyempre, no, Sir Melver, ang muklatan niya, DJ, best quality. And this, Naisangsangayan Daga, is an evidence of his great storytelling technique, na alam natin na very much, tawag dito, parang tatak na niya talaga. And it won him yung awards, not just here, but also outside the country.
As an advocate of cultural heritage, I find this kind of film, especially the works of Sir Melver, as commendable kasi mahalaga na pinapakita at binibigyan natin ng importansya ang ating cultural heritage. And one way to preserve that is through the documentaries film like this. So commendable, maganda. Marami akong goosebumps moments kanina sa pagpanood ng pelikula ni Sir Melver, and ganun nga yung sinasabi ko, tinuturo ko din sa knowledge management class, no, to use the technology such as the filmmaking to preserve, to document itong mga naiwan na cultural heritage natin, both tangible and intangible, para ang ating future generation ay ma-witness din. So maganda yung pelikula. I was able to learn a lot of lessons. Dadalawa na lang pala sila, and maganda that you were able to document it para meron na tayong papanoorin at ipagmamalaki sa mga susunod generation. Yes.
Benjamin.
Ako ko maragsakan kami mo sir, ta nakita mi digi ng ubrami.
Ay kit nakapalpalalo nga ragragsak niya, lalo dagitay apukog, dagitay gagayinda, palpalakpakan da kami, makayayat kami. Kita no kayat yung sursurwon, apog, anak ko, ta adamang tawid kadagiti tolls me katawa mo timang tawid dun no handang agdamili ngem di damot masango sir ata agbasbasa damo
art, because as a culture and arts student nariinti kabataan specifically lagi din nagbuyat at tayo nga ma-realize na nga ay mapukpukaw gayam deto nga kasta kultura or tradisyon nga dito nga specific na municipality. So mayat dito nga pelikula kasi nalawlawagan kami.
Ay, Miss Balasang Tipawan.
Hello.
Salamat ti Barikirik na kita nga nakabuya ka deti.
Mayat, kasi nakita kikinalaing ti Ilocano, nga dagayam kasi tayo nga craft. It is important because this is something we should cherish for us to preserve our craft. And para may makita yung mga future generations natin na ganito tayo ngayon.
Sa Nicolenia, proud na kasi this is the first ever Ilocano documentary film nga nabuyak. And knowing na friends kayo, colleague ko ni Melver, I'm very proud. We are very proud.
I think the lesson nga ma-depict ka DJ short film is that kailangan nga may pass down dedi kultura nga kasi dito iti pakakita nga Ilocano tayo dito iti iso iti image nga makita tita tao lang man ado may pumashare ditoy detoy kasi lang isi-symbolize na iti culture tayo. So I think kailangan nga may pass down iti generation tanha nga mapukaw kinhaan nga malipatan dito nga tradition, ay hindi naman siya tradition, culture, yes. Yes, ito San Nicoleños kasi iso iti, tas lang pinagkatanok mo.
So, di pa naka-trademark ni San Nicolas.
Yes,
So, bakit you are known for this?
Yes.
So, it's important
Yes.
that we need to learn
Pass
it
down.
more or maipass down into the next
May preserve
generation.
nga culture.
Correct. So, it's really important.
Lalo kasi makikita tatakit halos iso dagat old people din. So awan talaga young people man lang nga sumaruno. So talaga dapat na
So,
masusuruan
it's really alarming.
Yes.
Right.
Well, it's about the culture that we have and then yung vanishing traditions. Kasi nga, syempre, yung mga young generation, iba na yung gusto nila.
They lost interest.
Yeah, so it's nice that at least they're trying their best to develop also yung passion ng mga younger generation. And hopefully, with this film, maka-inspire pa siya na yung mga tao, not just from San Nicolas, but also from other places, to continue with this panagdadami.
This documentary film really means a lot to me. So I am enlightened a while back. So if ever that I will be given the chance to be an educator in San Nicolas, maybe I could use my teaching profession as a platform in order to train myself, in order to learn the things regarding on how to create a path, so that I'm gonna able also to educate the students of San Nicolas as well as the other students here in Ilocos Norte. Tapos nadikas na hanga mapukaw dito yung nga trabaho, which is to create a path. Tapos nadikas na maipasan ko na in the next generations to come.
Yeah, thank you.
It breaks my heart to know that it is considered to be a dying culture based in kadijay statement. Hindi kasi anak ni na Aunt Paulina. Ngam sapay lang kung ma-inspire, di kasi nakabuyak, hindi kasi makabuyan tupay dating nga film to continue to learn the craft, and that is panagdamili, in order for it to not become a dying industry because it's a part of our culture. So kasama lang di pa nag-multibanga nga it encapsulate DJ culture ti San Nicolas kasi itay kumamat nga agtutubukan the fellow Ilocano youth nga involved damat DJ characteristic da kan DJ learnings da in order for it to become a thriving industry still and not a dying industry.
Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga.
Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga.
Thank you, ma'am. Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga. Thank you. Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga. Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga. Hashtag Naisangsangayan at Daga.